As I told you in the last example, I always approach these problems the same way, and that's with looking at the equations as equations 1, 2, and 3, and taking equations 1 and 2 and creating equation 4 with 1 and 2. And then I take 1 and 3, and with 1 and 3, I create equation 5, and then I evaluate 4 and 5 to try to eliminate the either the x or y that is left. Okay, so with equations 1 and 2, I'm eliminating that third variable. And so that's z and z. Well, they're the same variable, but and it's the same number, 1z, but I need different signs. So it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to multiply the first one. I'm going to make a little note, multiply by -1. Okay, and so that's going to be negative x minus y minus z equals -7. And then I'm going to have 3x minus 2y plus z equals 3. And when I add these equations, I get, let's see, this is 2x minus 3y, the z's cancel, equals -4. And now I'm going to take, let's see, equations 1 and 3, and I'm going to look at eliminating the third variable. And so we have a 3z and a z. So they're the same sign and they're different numbers. Well, I could multiply the first one by, let's see, -3. And when I do that, I'll have a -3z and a positive 3z. Okay, so this is going to be negative 3x minus 3y minus 3z equals -21. And so now I'm just going to write the third one down, x plus 6y plus 3z equals 25. So I add it together and I get -2x plus 3y equals 4. And now I'm going to write down equations 4 and 5. So 2x minus 3y equals -4. And -2x plus 3y equals 4. And what you want to do now generally is eliminate either x or y. But you can see that this is an unusual case. We don't always have this. But if I were to add them together, 2x just as it is, 2x plus -2x, you get 0. -3y plus 3y, you get 0. And -4 plus 4, well, that equals 0. And 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 does equal 0. That is a true statement. Okay, we don't normally have it to where these equations cancel everything out, but it is okay. I mean, it happens. They're literally the same thing. The value of x and y are exactly the same. Since we did get that true statement, the answer to this problem would just be all real numbers. Okay.